Welcome to this Mindly 5-minute meditation. We have thought about our listeners who do not have YouTube Premium and have taken care to ensure that no advertisements will interrupt your meditation session. Okay, here we go. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Let's begin with 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. One more time. Breathe in and out. Now, allow your breathing to return to its natural rhythm. If any thoughts or concerns come to your mind, simply acknowledge them, then let them pass. Visualize your emotions as an intricate river system, with currents running deep and wide, carrying various emotional states within its flow. Acknowledge the presence of all these emotions, even the ones that feel heavy or unpleasant. They all have their place in your emotional landscape. Now, imagine a purifying light shining down from the sky, a cleansing rain pouring into your river of emotions. As this rain touches the water, it begins to dissolve any debris or obstructions, any pent-up feelings or emotional blocks you've been carrying. With each breath, this purifying rain becomes more potent, its light growing brighter. It's not here to force your emotions away, but to cleanse and renew them. As the light interacts with the water, it transforms the heavy, murky emotions into clear, flowing energy. You may notice some emotions are stubborn, clinging onto the riverbed. That's okay. Just imagine the rain persisting gently, patiently working to cleanse and free up these emotional blocks. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, picture these released emotions flowing down the river, away from your inner being, creating space for fresh, positive emotions to take their place. Now, invite feelings of peace, joy, and love to flow into this newly cleared space. Imagine these positive emotions as a spring, bubbling up from within you and adding their clear, bright waters to your emotional river. Feel these emotions infuse the river, transforming its energy entirely. Recognize that you have the power to cleanse your emotional state at any time. Just as a river can change its course over time, your emotional landscape is never static. It is always ready and able to transform, to wash away the old and welcome the new. Take one more deep breath, and as you exhale, let go of any last traces of emotional debris. Now, slowly start to bring your awareness back to the present moment. When you're ready, gently and slowly open your eyes, bringing your meditation session to a close. Before we part, if there's a particular theme you'd like a meditation on, do let us know in the comments below and we'll create it for you. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the Mindly channel. Thank you for sharing this time with us. And remember, you are capable of anything.